Okay, so it's been about, actually, I think it's been about 45 minutes. I kind of forgot about this. But usually after half an hour after the initial mix, you kind of want to do your first set of what's called stretch and fold. So this is my dough right now. And to do a stretch and fold, all you really do is just kind of pick up one side of it. And it's going to be quite goopy. It's going to stick to your fingers. Also, make sure your hands are clean. You don't really want any germs or lotions or anything like that that could affect the dough. So just wash your hands and then just pick up one side of it and then stretch it and then bring it towards the center and then just kind of go around your bowl and do that same action. So stretch it and fold it over. And for the first set, you probably want to go around a couple times. At this point, like I still have some loose flour at the bottom, you can kind of sort of try and mix that in. Could even like pick it up if you want. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, stretch, fold over, stretch, fold over. And that's, sort of see it trying to start to take shape. So I'll cover that, and then I'll leave it again, and then every half hour or hour, or pretty much any time you sort of pass through the kitchen, do another set of stretch and folds. Throughout the day, I try to do at least a minimum of 6, but I'll probably get a few more in, depending on if I'm home or not. You kind of want to be around throughout the day. Don't worry if you have left. I've left it for maybe, I don't know, up to 4 hours one time, and it's still baked nicely the next day. So it is a very resilient dough, but I think the general rule of thumb is just to stretch and fold it at least 6 times throughout the day and try to do it like every half hour or hour or so. Okay,